Hello and welcome back. I'm so glad that you are here getting ready to study for your GED or your HiSET. So in this video here, you'll learn how to get started the right way. Because let me tell you, there actually is a wrong way to get started in studying for your GED or your HiSET. We're also going to learn how to study smarter, not harder, not longer, but study smarter. And finally, how to stay motivated from start to finish. So friends, if you're brand new here, click subscribe because I have so many videos that are going to help you in this journey of obtaining your GED or your HiSET. And if you've been with me before and you're already subscribed, I have a huge favor. I know that you know someone else that is working on their GED or their HiSET, and I want you to share this video with them. There's a button right down below that says share. Text it to one of your friends. Even better, text it to a teacher. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the first and most important thing to do is enroll in your local adult education program. So there are free or very low cost classes where teachers are there working with you. Those teachers support you, and the community of other students can really help keep you accountable. The teachers know exactly what you need to work on because you take a pre-test and it shows, okay, this person needs to work on this. So enrolling in your local adult education program is the most important thing. So here's how to find a program near you. I would just search adult education and then type in your city or state, and that should help you figure it out. You could also visit your state's adult education website, maybe go to your local library, community college, or even the high school. You could ask them, where is a program for me to work on my high school equivalency and my GED? Okay, getting extra help online, really supplementing what you're learning in class, can be very helpful. So use GED lessons just like this one here. Purely Persistent Academy, which is my online membership, has full lessons. Those are actually the lessons that I teach in my classes. So when a student misses one of my classes, I give them the login information and they log into Purely Persistent Academy and get caught up on the lesson that they missed. So this is a low-cost way for you to get even extra help to really fast track you in getting your GED or your HiSET. And the nice thing about the online help is you can learn anywhere, anytime, but you should be enrolled in a local adult education program. Okay, so you want to start small and stay consistent. So whether you're in a program or not, outside of class, you should be studying for maybe 15 to 30 minutes a day. If you're not in a local adult education program, I would probably say like at least 2.5 hours per day. And so really, I would focus on one topic at a time if you can. So you're outside of class study, one topic at a time, really work on that. And you've got to remember though that progress is better than perfection. Sometimes it takes people a while. Sometimes it takes people a year, 2 years, 3 years of consistent study. Most students, it doesn't take quite that long, but you've got to celebrate that progress over perfection. Okay, so you need to build a routine that works for you and works for your schedule. So set a study time that fits with your schedule. Maybe you're an early morning person. Maybe you like the afternoon, or maybe the late night or evening. Set a time and make it happen. Keeping your materials in one place can be very helpful. I actually like to keep my materials in a backpack, and then I can move my backpack, I can take it to school, I have it at home, I can take it to maybe the library or a coffee shop, but my materials stay in my backpack. And track your streak. Maybe you studied every day this week and then celebrate your win. Maybe go out for an ice cream, or maybe download a song that you like, or watch a good movie. Celebrate those small wins. Okay, so while you're studying, create a simple study plan. So maybe you're going to divide the subjects across the week, or maybe you're going to just focus on one subject, right? Maybe mixed reading, math, writing, and science. And quiz yourself. Every Friday, I like to do a little quiz, or in my classes on Thursday, I like to do a little quiz. How are you doing? Time to check in. And I want you to focus on big concepts. You don't really need to memorize everything. You just need to focus on those big concepts. And so the tests are more about thinking and not as much about memorizing facts. Okay, so if you can learn how to read, you hopefully already know how to read, but improve your reading, your reason, and really apply what you're learning, that will be much more helpful than making flashcards and memorizing words. Okay, so really focus on the big concepts. Those big concepts being reading, be able to analyze and figure out what the main idea is, maybe inference and tone. With writing, your grammar, your organization, make sure you know how to write a really good essay, an argumentative essay. With math, we have algebra, geometry, word problems. Be very good at those. Science is reading experiments and charts. And then social studies, interpreting data, and really government basics. Like, make sure that you know all about checks and balances, because that's on a lot of the tests. So now, building motivation and confidence. So friends, this is the perfect time to start. It really is. You have hit the jackpot on the best time to start for you. Sometimes they like to say, when is the best time to start something? And they're like, 10 years ago. When's the second best time to start? Today. So here you are. Today, you're starting. It's the perfect time. So remember, you're not starting over, right? You've learned a lot of these concepts. You're starting fresh. It's just new. It's a little bit different, right? And I want you to remember that every small step counts. Have you ever heard the phrase, how do you eat an elephant? Well, the answer is one bite at a time. You may look at your GED and your HiSET, and it's this huge, monstrous task. But you know what, friends? You can do it. Thousands of people have done this, and you can do it too. You just have to go one step at a time. You've got this, friends. So friends, I need you to take action now. Your future self depends upon this. So here's what you need to do to get started. First, enroll into your local adult education program this week. Second, look into Purely Persistent Academy. Again, it's the membership I've created. It's low cost, and it will really help you in excelling the progress. It complements perfectly with your local adult education program. Next, make your first study plan today. And remember, friends, you've got this. You can do this. I just know you can. So your next step, keep learning with Purely Persistent. Watch my Start Here playlist, download your free study planner, which I've got for you right down below, and subscribe for weekly videos. My friends, thank you for being here, and thank you for starting this journey on achieving your GED or your HiSET. There are so many people out there that are supporting you, that believe in you, whether you know this or not. And friends, your future self will thank you. Your kids or future kids will thank you. You're not just changing your life, but you're also changing their lives. So thank you for that. Friends, believe in yourself, just like I believe in you. And you've got this. Peace, friends, and God bless you.